I had my Series 6 and 63 investment license, my life insurance license. So back in another life in Texas. Yeah,
Right.
I know.
I
So
hope you're better now.
I am better. I'm recovered. But I was talking to him because he does wealth management for law firms. And I'm like, that's great.
Hmm.
They need that. They need people who are experts in their field to say, fix this problem for me, fix this problem for me. Like you said, you've got to be a master delegator if you run a business. Otherwise, you're your biggest
The
unbacked
bottleneck.
potential.
Yeah.
You're the bottleneck. This guy and I were talking in quick plug for an upcoming episode. I was like, hey, I know one thing about law firm owners, PI specific, is these cash settlement payouts are long cycles for them. So a lot of times they're paper rich and they're cash poor, and they're having to take these quick loans, which I learned from Mike's book. And that's what gave me the idea to do this podcast. Another important reason you should really know your audience is he said a lot of lawyers will have to do these quick payday loans to float themselves on payroll, on court costs, on whatever until the big settlement pays out. I was like, why aren't they using the Rockefeller method? And I talked to Frank and he knew what I was talking about, like at a high level. And when I explained it, he was like, oh yeah, I do that all the time. And I'm like, well, first of all, part of branding is who doesn't want to be the freaking Rockefellers, right? And I want the
Hmm.
Rockefeller method set up for my own family legacy and wealth, but they could be their own bank, borrowing their own money. And so I'm like, okay, great. I have my guy, Frank. I'm going to send everybody to Frank to do the Rockefeller method to make sure that while they're cash poor, waiting for their settlement payout, they're borrowing from themselves, paying themselves interest back, and they're their own bank, essentially.